Welcome back to Body Make and Health Management channel. Today, we're uncovering a hidden factor in weight loss that's often ignored: sleep. Most people focus on diet and exercise, but sleep is just as crucial, maybe even more so. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more ghrelin, the hunger hormone, making you crave food even when you don't need it. At the same time, leptin, the hormone that signals fullness, drops, so you never feel satisfied. This double hit means you're hungrier and less able to stop eating no matter how disciplined you are. It's not about willpower, it's your biology working against you. Imagine trying to steer a ship with broken controls. That's your appetite on poor sleep. The result? Overeating and stubborn weight gain, even if you're doing everything else right. Understanding this connection is the first step to regaining control. Prioritizing sleep can be the game changer your weight loss journey needs. Let's see how sleep shapes your cravings next. Chapter 1. Why tired brains crave junk food. Ever notice you crave junk food after a bad night's sleep? That's because sleep deprivation weakens your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain that helps you make smart choices. Meanwhile, your brain's reward centers go into overdrive, making high-calorie foods like pizza and donuts almost irresistible. You're left with less willpower and stronger cravings, creating a cycle of poor sleep and poor food choices. A tired brain wants quick energy, so you reach for sugar and fat. These choices spike your energy, then crash it, making you crave even more junk. The cycle continues, sabotaging both your sleep and your diet. Breaking this loop starts with better sleep. Chapter 2. The surprising link between your plate and your pillow. Sleep and nutrition are a two-way street. What you eat affects how well you sleep, and vice versa. Foods rich in tryptophan, like turkey nuts and dairy, help your body produce melatonin, the hormone that signals sleep. Complex carbs such as oats or whole grain toast can also promote restful sleep. On the flip side, heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol disrupt your sleep cycles. Even too much water before bed can wake you up at night. Smart food choices throughout the day set you up for better rest. Better sleep then makes it easier to stick to healthy eating. It's a powerful feedback loop you can control. Next, let's see how sleep loss slows your metabolism. Chapter 3. When sleep loss grinds your body to a halt. Lack of sleep doesn't just mess with your appetite, it slows your metabolism. Studies show that when you're sleep deprived, your body burns less fat and more muscle, even if you're dieting. Sleep loss can cause insulin resistance, making your body store more fat, especially around your belly. High insulin and cortisol levels from poor sleep put your body in fat storage mode. Even with a perfect diet and exercise, sleep deprivation makes weight loss much harder. Chronic sleep loss also raises your risk for type 2 diabetes. Your body is wired to hold on to fat when it's tired and stressed. Prioritizing sleep helps your metabolism work for you, not against you. It's a crucial piece of the weight loss puzzle. Now let's talk about practical steps you can take. Chapter 4. Practical steps to sync your sleep and nutrition. Ready to put this into action? Start with small, consistent changes. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day to stabilize your body clock. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Dim the lights, put away screens, and wind down with a book or calming music. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet for optimal sleep. Eat your last big meal at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. Focus on whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fiber. If you need a snack before bed, choose something light and sleep-friendly, like a handful of nuts. Limit caffeine after 2 p.m. and watch for hidden sources like chocolate and tea. Cut back on alcohol in the evening, it disrupts deep sleep. These simple habits create a positive cycle: better sleep, better food choices, and easier weight management. Small steps add up to big results. Let's wrap up with a new perspective on health. Forget the old eat less, move more mantra. Real lasting health comes from working with your body, not against it. Prioritizing sleep balances your hormones, sharpens your mind, and makes healthy choices feel effortless. Imagine waking up refreshed, craving nutritious foods, and feeling in control all day. This isn't a fantasy, it's what happens when you treat sleep as essential. Start by asking, how can I sleep better tonight? Notice how your food choices and energy improve. This is a sustainable, gentle path to long-term health. Small, smart changes create a powerful ripple effect. Thanks for joining me. Here's to a healthier, happier you. See you in the next video!